Hi there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve an everyday minimal makeup look in under 10 minutes. This one is perfect for beginners. For this look, the star of the show is this Catrice Soft Glam Filter Fluid. It is a glow boosting face fluid with sheer coverage. It has an optical filter effect for a softened, perfected and radiant complexion. They say you can wear it alone, underneath makeup, or on top to set highlights. I'm gonna quickly do my brows and then we'll get to the face. I'm going to be applying this product using my hands, and I'm just going to be dabbing it all over the face, particularly around the areas where I do need some coverage. It's very sheer coverage, so it won't give me that much coverage, but where I know I need some coverage, that's where I'll place it. And I'm using the shade 98 Deep. I will say that on the website this shade is a catfish. On the website it is extremely dark. It is very dark, even the model. On the website, the shade of this product as well as the model is similar to the color of my lips, but look at the difference. So the product is definitely a catfish. I think if you're deeper than me, I don't think it'll work, and this is the darkest shade. So I'm just gonna use my hand to work the product in. I'm also going to take it under my eyes. I'm just using nice circular motions to rub the product in. Okay, under my eyes. I'm also going to take it down my neck. I can definitely see the radiance coming through, and it definitely is sheer coverage. And I'm just going to take some onto my eyes. Make sure it's blended out nicely on my neck, and I'm just going to work the product into my hairline and my eyes. This is how the product looks. Very radiant. My skin looks healthy, it's glowing. I'm not going to try and build up the coverage because I feel like that will be futile. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now if you have dry skin, I will say you can leave it like this. You don't need to set it. However, I do have oily skin, so I will be setting it. I'll be setting it with a natural finish powder, like this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the shade Deep Darkest. Adding a bit more on my T-zone. The next 3 steps that I'm going to do are optional. You can just go in with mascara, but because I wear glasses and I usually want my eyes to pop out from behind my glasses, I'm going to tight line my top lashes with a brown liner. I'm also going to use the same brown liner in my lower lash line, smudge it out with a clean smudger brush, and then add some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm also going to apply some small lashes. For the lips, choose any nude lip color of your choice. I'm going to be lining my lips with a dark brown liquid lipstick, and then in the center I'm going to be going in with another liquid lipstick. This one is in a pink type color. This is the final look. How do I look? I love that my face is looking healthy, it's glowing, there's a radiance to it, but it's not too much. My skin is still peeking through. This is a perfect everyday minimal makeup look. If you found today's tutorial very helpful, don't forget to like this video, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy peasy makeup tutorials.